Hello everyone. Today I'd like to tell you guys about my partial disorder called ADHD and dyslexia. ADHD is basically like a condition where I have to focus mostly on one thing, and it keeps me focused on that part for most of the times. And it also sometimes I might sometimes fidget my leg by moving too much and all that, which might also sometimes get distracted as well, which might frustrate some people. And dyslexia is basically a kind of condition where I may pronounce words very wrongly. I might wrongly pronounce words and even murmur words and won't be able to finish the sentence, which might frustrate people. This is why I'm telling you guys, so that you could treat me softly and in the future. Thanks so much.